Hakasngi kebau Dr. Sukanta Majumdar Myntri kena ke Sarkar India beri kemi ya ke development of North Eastern region ke dona ula wan yuk kejat sejela Meghalaya ban emerging mod halorki kampen roy sekani kathan kata haka arpon roy tarik rempang arjar pesan ula Pyndep bagi dan hado support lagi project ki bala baiting kaling ba ka ministry ki badang sa Teng hado Btah. Hapa Pyndep ya kini syakilat pathai kubor Dr. Sukanta ulaong. Baka Sarkar jela kadai ban Pyndep stat no yakini ki project ki badang sa Teng kenang baka Sarkar kanla ban mang pisabiang na kabenta ki weipat ki project. Nalor kata ula ban juru baka Sarkar Meghalaya kadai ban itu ya ki shnong bar ki sorret ha ki shnong khapot na kabenta ban Pyndep ya ki kampen roy.
Where we have reviewed all the projects, those are under the donor ministry. And as you know, under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, and under the Cabinet Minister leadership of Cabinet Minister of Sri Jyotiraditya Scindia ji, so we are working in the Northeast on 5-point framework. In that, the first point is the healthy competition or competitiveness between the states. Then the government of Meghalaya should identify the villages and the towns in the border areas for the infrastructure development. Then the Ministry of Donor and as well as the government of Meghalaya shall work towards completing the major projects in the state sanctioned under the Ministry of Donor. As you know, the total 10% of the total GBS of 54 non-exempted ministries we have to use in the whole Northeast. And the government of Meghalaya and as well as the donor ministry identify one idea for implementation throughout the state and towards ensuring the 100% saturation. And the last one, the fifth point is government of Meghalaya should expedite the completion of the long delayed projects. There are approximately 10 delayed projects are there. We also discuss those delays, what is the status of those delayed projects, and government of Meghalaya is doing the good work and they want to complete all those work within the stipulated time. Recently government of Meghalaya they have made some changes as the logistic. It was not under the industry, but recently they have brought it under the industry category. So in the near future, this logistic, after they have brought it under the industry, the logistic facility will increase in the state of Meghalaya, which will promote the job creation as well as the tourism sector and the other sector of this state.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat akabatau bha kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukam shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Kan nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.